Hello and welcome to Winnie TV. I'm here at SMTconnect and we're interviewing, we're talking, we're learning. Torsten, if you'd like to just introduce yourself first of all, obviously your company, and a little bit about what we're going to be talking about.
Thank you, Bob. I'm Torsten Vegelahn. I'm with ASYS. I'm at ECRA, the product manager for the standard product systems of printing. And today I like to talk about some new idea what we have here shown first time on the show in regard to make our customers more happy. And what it is. You know, everyone in the manufacturing, they're using stencils. So we work with stencils and we have, after our job, we need to clean them. So we bring them to the stencil washing machine, and after that a person is inspecting the stencil. If it's cleaned correctly, if it's defect, if there are bumps or scratches or whatever, if it's fine, they put it into the storage. Now there's actually the weak point. And since we developed an artificial intelligence last year for inspecting bipolar plates, we're using this technology because bipolar plates are also stainless steel. Mm-hmm. We're using this artificial intelligence also to check the stencil underside, to figure out if there are scratches, if there are lines, or if there are still contaminations in the openings and the apertures, to ensure that we have a perfect cleaned and still good to go stencil before we put it into the storage system.
Okay.
And here, what we show here is a demonstrator, because as the artificial intelligence is already there and it's ready, we were not able to build up the machine itself. So we integrated that into a printer, and that's what you see here on the second screen. So that is as easy as just putting in the screen, and there's no things you do except your thresholds, what you accept for quality, lint, scratches and stuff like that. And then you can exactly see there are still some blockages, there's still some particles of solder paste left, and you can scroll through individual images and you see a scratch, there's a fiber left from the cleaning, and this ensures that we have done the cleaning and the preparation of the stencil correctly before we use it next time. Because if we would use it in the printer already and then we detect there's something wrong, we have downtime, and that's what we don't want.
Yeah. I mean, it's very impressive, I have to say. Because I've written procedures in the past for people to check stencils, take them out, check them, put them on a light box, see if there's any bend or flex in them, but you're getting this all automatically. That's very impressive.
And on top of that, because also the stencil tension is very important, with the unit you can also, because it's a standalone unit, you can also check the stencil tension. And if it starts to get weaker and weaker, we also, please consider to take a new stencil, because stencil tension is a critical thing now. So this package allows us to really improve preparation on customer side. And really customers, we introduced that here, pretty much appreciated that.
Okay, I mean, the system then could also verify the stencil to start off with, so it can do dimensional checks against the data?
We don't need data, actually, because how it is, the stencil manufacturer makes sure that the stencil is in the right condition, it's cut as it should be. And as we want to have a very simple system, without having someone in the need to do parameters and do programs instead, we're using the artificial intelligence. You just put it in, you start it, and you get your result. And because the guy on the washing machine, he's not an expert on programming SPIs, AOIs, or anything else, which is also time consuming. And we try to take off this complete
Well, you're
step.
simplifying the process.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. I mean, are there sort of new? Can you teach it new things as well?
Yes, we can.
New types of defects.
Yes, we can teach, and we can, educate the artificial intelligence if we get more data from our customers, as the data are probably sensitive. So we can do this on site on the customer, just to improve the artificial intelligence engine, and yeah, that's possible.
Yeah, it's impressive. There's no question. I think back to the days that I put in quality control procedures into companies, and yes, this is very, very impressive. So, step forward. What is the next change? What is the next development from here?
I will tell you on the next exhibition, because there is already a roadmap with some more features, with some more whistles and bells, and we got good feedback and also good ideas on the show from customers what we will do next, but I don't like to
tell everybody everything. But the other thing is obviously
introduce it today.
If the customers come to some of your workshops and your seminars, they can learn a little bit more perhaps.
Yeah, they can learn, and also we learn, because the feedback from the customers, that's what drives us, and that's also the DNA of the company. You know, we are inventors, and listen to the customers, learn from them, and then offer solutions for this. You know? It's like we did with ASYS systems.
Well, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. I am impressed with
Thank you
this
very much.
compared to what I've been used to. I mean, obviously been involved in electronic manufacture all my working life, and in stencil technology, we used to make our own stencils because we had a PCB fabrication facility, but not to the level of stencil technology today. But it certainly was a cut above, going from hybrid technology and printing. Very impressive. Very impressive.